Alright, this is a demonstration of the Maiku and BarinBarin. It's a Japanese robot toy. The craft has a place where you put two AA batteries. And after you transform the robot, it goes in here with little handlebars. And when he's flying around, there's a speaker under here, and this button starts the beat. And I'll give you a little demonstration. These buttons change the pattern. So this one just makes the pattern go just like this all the time. Then it goes back to the regular pattern. So yeah, so it has all those, and you can switch it up. It goes back. Okay, and when this is all off, each one of these three does a different thing. Got the bass, got the snare, and the cymbal. So that's it.